Greetings, beautiful people. Welcome back to Find XYZ. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. We are still on the road to WASSCE 2026. Let's try this logical problem. We are told to consider the following statements. Statement U, most art students are good at debate. And statement V, some non-art students are also good at debate. We have been told to illustrate the information in a Venn diagram and to determine from the diagram whether the following conclusions are valid or not valid. These are the conclusions. The first one, John is a non-art student, so he is not good at debate. Then the second conclusion is Jessica is an art student, so she is good at debate. I'll begin by explaining some key terminologies in this problem. The first one is statement. In mathematical logic, I refer to statement as the absolute rule of the game. So think of it like absolute rule. Then what is conclusion? I refer to conclusion as the final outcome we are trying to verify. So we have two statements. All teachers are billionaires. Man, I really wish, right? But that is strictly false. But in logical reasoning, you cannot bring outside knowledge or common sense into the problem. So we are just considering the given statement. There are rules that we have to follow. And the rule is that all teachers are billionaires. So we have to accept it. Don't bring your common sense here. And statement 2, the moon is a teacher. What was the conclusion? What was the final outcome? The final outcome is the moon is also a billionaire. If all teachers are billionaires and the moon is also a teacher, then the moon has no option than to follow the structure. So the moon is part of teachers, and since all teachers are billionaires, definitely the outcome is that the moon will also be a billionaire. So that is what statement is, and that is what conclusion is. Now the last two things that I want to explain is validity, whether a statement is valid or not valid. When we say a statement is valid, for you to call something valid, it means that it should not have any loopholes. However, you can also say that an argument is not valid when there is a room for doubt. So if you find even 1% that you doubt something, obviously you have to say that the argument is not valid. For an argument to be valid, it means that it is 100% follows the logic. Now, one thing I want to also say is that when we say an argument is not valid, it does not mean the conclusion is definitely false. It means that probably the statement didn't give us enough evidence for us to back our claim. So based on the given statement, that is why the whole thing is not valid. If we get more evidence, then we can say that it is valid. But for the given statement, if there is a loophole within the statement, then we can say it is not valid. So let's get back to the question. Now, since we are considering two statements, it means that we have two rules. What is the first rule? The first rule is most art students are good at debate. And the second rule is some non-art students are also good at debate. So we have group of students. Since we are asked to illustrate the information in a Venn diagram, I'd want to represent the whole group of students in a rectangle. So the number of students in here are all the students that we are talking about. But we know some of them are art students. So let's represent this circle as arts. Okay, so this is for number of art students. Now, it means that if all these people inside this circle are art students, it means that all those that are outside this circle are non-art students. Now, we are told that most art students are good at debate. It means that a section of these number of students that are art students are good at debate. So let me draw another circle. Now, this refers to the number of good debaters. So let me write D. Now, you realize that part of it, most art students are good at debaters. So this part represents the number of good debaters. And we are saying that some of the non. You realize that this circle is for art students. Anything outside this circle is non-art students. So it means that this part of the circle represents the sum of the non-art students that are good at debate. So we are done with the first part of the problem, that is to illustrate our information in a Venn diagram. In the second part of the problem, we are asked to use this diagram to determine whether the following conclusions are valid or not valid. Now, we earlier explained conclusion as the final outcome or the destination that we want to verify. Now, what is the outcome that we want to verify? We are saying that John is a non-art student. So this is John. Who is he? He's a non-art student. Now it means that John will fall outside the art students. Definitely John will not be in the art students. He's outside the art students. Then we are told that he is not good at debate. So the first thing is try to find a loophole that can make this conclusion not valid. So let's see. So what do we know about John? We only know that John is a non-art student. If John is a non-art student, do we know any information about John in the problem? No. So we don't have enough evidence to conclude that John is not good at debate, because we have students that are non-art students but they are good debaters. So John can either be a good debater or not a good debater, but we don't have enough evidence to conclude that he is not a good debater. Therefore, this conclusion is not valid. It's not valid because we don't have enough evidence. Look at the rules. These are the rules. We only know that most of the art students are good at debates, and then some non-art students are also good at debates. Now let's look at the second conclusion. Jessica is also an art student, so she is good at debate. My first question is, are all art students good at debate? The answer is no, because there are sections of these students, this part, that are not good at debate, and we don't know where Jessica falls, so we don't have enough evidence to draw this conclusion. Therefore, this conclusion is not valid. That is all I have for you. If you found this useful, kindly leave a comment, share this video to all your friends, and I'll be back with another video. I'm out.